Hello, in this video I will explain how to install Node, Mongo, Python and Postman. So let's start with the Node.js. To install the Node.js, you can find the link in the description box. This link will be given in the description box. Copy paste and press enter. Here you have to click on this 8.11.3 LTS to download. I have already downloaded the file and kept it. You can find the file in the default for the downloads. So this is the Node version. So double click on this to start the installation. Click on the next button, accept the license agreement and click on the next button. Confirm the path here and click on the next button. Now again click on the next button. Now click on the install button to start the installation. Wait till the installation is. Now the Node.js has been installed successfully. Click on the finish button to exit the setup. Now you have to check whether you have to set up the environmental variable for the node. So right click on this PC and go to properties. Now click on the advanced system settings. Now click on the environmental variables. Scroll down under system variables and click on the path. Double click on the path to find whether the Node.js has been set up globally or not. This is the link. So click on the OK once you have confirmed. If it is not there, then you have to add it manually. Now let's move on to the MongoDB, for which a link will be given in the description box. Click on the community server. You have to select the OS for which you want to download and the version of the OS. Now click on the download button to download the installer. I have also downloaded the installer here already. So double click on this. The installer will start. Now click on the next button. Now accept the license agreement and click on the next button. Click on the complete type of MongoDB. Uncheck the install MongoDB compass and click on the next button. Click on the install button to start the installation. Wait till the installation is complete. मेरे रबर निकालो ना। Thank you. Now click on the Finish button to exit the installer. Now, same way, you have to check whether the environmental variable path is set for MongoDB. So click on this PC and go to Properties, and again click on the Advanced System Settings, and click on the Environmental Variables. Under System Variable, you have to select Path, and you have to check whether the MongoDB is given or not. Yes, it is given. If you have given this path, then you can just open a command prompt and type MongoDB to start the server. Otherwise, you have to go to that particular location to fetch the MongoDB server. Now the server has been started. Mongo runs on the default port 27017 port. Once the Mongo server is started, you can open another command prompt and you can give Mongo to start the Mongo client. Here you can give the name of the DB that you want to give. From here you can start working. So close the environmental variable path. So this is how you have to install MongoDB. So now let's go and install the Postman. So copy paste this link and paste it in the Chrome browser and press enter. If you scroll down slightly, you can find the Postman for all the three. You can find Postman download installer for all for Mac, Windows, and Linux OS. Here you can select the version and click on the download button to start the download. I have also downloaded the Postman version, so I am going to run this only. So double click on this Postman installer. So once after installation, the Postman window will open up. From here, you can start working. Now finally, we're going to install the Python version 2.7.9. I'm going to copy paste this link and paste in the browser and press enter. If you scroll down, you will find the files, the installer files for different OS. So here you can choose based on your system based on your system settings. So again, I have downloaded the Python versions 2.7.9 and kept already. So I'm going to double click and start it. Just select install for all users and click on the next button. Again, click on make sure that the path is C colons under C drive Python 27 folder is present. If it is not given there, then please change it to this location. Click on the next. Now click on the next. This will start the installation. Installation is complete. Now the Python has been installed successfully. Click on the finish button to exit the install. So again, we're going to check the path for the Python also. We're going to set the path for there. So go to this PC properties. Click on the advanced system settings and click on the environmental variables. Under system variables, click on the path. And here you can set the path to C colon / Python 27 and C colon / Python 27 / scripts and set and click OK to set it. Again, click OK. Now this function. To check whether the Python has been installed correctly, you can open a command prompt and type Python and press enter. This should open the Python shell. To check the version, here also you can check the version that is installed. To check the version, you can give Python space capital V and press enter to check the version. This is how you have to install Python in the Windows machine. Send us your queries and suggestions to sales@testonneet.com. Do connect with us on our Twitter and LinkedIn accounts. Do not forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.